What's good, y'all? GLD gang here. You know, we're all about working hard, playing hard, and giving back. Today we're in downtown Phoenix, and we're just gonna be blessing some people with some chains today. You know, seeing how they like it, seeing their reactions, and you guys are gonna be a part of it. So let's get it. Let's do it. How you doing?
Doing good.
So we're with GLD. We out here just making people's day brighter, you know, giving away chains and all that. I want to know if y'all want a chain.
What?
For sure. Gonna make your day brighter?
You bright, so I want to be bright too.
I feel it. So right here, we got the signature G-Link. Let me put this one on you real quick. There you go, bro. You mind if I put it on you? Take it off.
Man, that's looking real bright.
Boom. There you go, bro. There you go. How's your day going?
It's going great. Even better today, you know?
I feel it. I feel it. It's going. It's going. We just giving back, you know, having fun. There y'all go.
Yes, sir.
Well, we hoping we made y'all day better, you feel me?
Thank you, GLD, man. Let's get everybody iced up.
First one success, let's go get more people.
On to the next one. Let's get it.
Hi.
What's up, y'all?
My name's Hollywood, we're with GLD. We're out here making people's day better by giving away chains. And today, ooh, we got a pretty one for you. It's a pink one, a pink tennis chain. Got you. Nice, that's real nice.
How does it look?
Amazing.
Thank you, GLD.
Just wanted to bless some people with some jewelry today. You know, you seem like, you know, you got the swag, you know, you need a little drip, you know what I'm saying? So we got this tennis bracelet for you. You know what I'm saying? You like that, you like that? Yeah, like
Perfect.
that. Man.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, GLD. You got me iced out here. Looking good. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
We got another one for you.
Hey, how's it going, man? Good, good. So we out here with GLD. As you can see, we're just doing a giveaway out here, just, you know, just giving back to the community, you know what I'm saying? We have this yellow gold iced out Cuban link for you, bro. Yeah, of course, man.
Appreciate it.
What was your name?
Derek.
Derek Hollywood. Nice to meet you, bro.
Hollywood.
Jay.
Okay.
Remember, GLD.
Shout out GLD, y'all. Appreciate this. My man.
Here we go, the grand finale.
Big boy chain.
Let's get it.
Excuse me, sir. Yo. So we giving back to people today, so we wanted to bless you with the big boy chain. The big boy. I'm currently wearing it, you feel me? I'm currently wearing it. This is the big boy chain.
I get to keep this?
You get to keep it, yes. Yes. Let me put it on you real quick. Hold that.
It's icy.
Got you. There you go.
Hey, thank y'all.
Of course. My name's Hollywood, by the way.
Hollywood?
Y'all here. Jay, bro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet y'all.
7?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yo, thank you, GLD. I'm out here in downtown Phoenix. I was just walking, and they blessed me with the new chain. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
That's a wrap. It was amazing for y'all tuning in. It was just fun giving away back to the people, you feel me? And hopefully y'all stay here for more.
Yep, GLD gang, y'all already know what's up.
Hollywood and Jalen, you know how we do.
Yep.